Hey, what's up guys? I'm in between clients right now. I promised I'd give you guys a room tour, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. I actually wanted to show you guys also how I set up for Brazilian clients. I thought this would be a good opportunity, so I'm going to show you here. So right now I don't have anything to hold the wax paper down, and I don't have a reusable waxing cover, so I'm just using this. I give them something to wipe with, and then I give them a towel for modesty. I do have a little pillow so they can be comfortable and lay on the bed. I also have my products here. I have my pre-cleanse here. I need to get some more, but I currently am using Satin Smooth. I have a CBD hemp lotion to help with redness and inflammation, also the oil to clean off. I do use soft and hard wax right now, so I have strips as well as my waxing sticks. I have my soft wax and then my mermaid hard wax. And then here I have a fan set up as well as a mirror so they can kind of take a look at it afterwards for the Brazilian clients. Eventually I hope to turn more into an eco-friendly and not use so many products. This is just how I was trained, and so I'm starting out here and hoping to get better. I also use fur now, so I'm excited about that. So I have currently them in the fridge, but I have the fur oil and the fur oil concentrate, which is awesome, and my little fridge here, pretty cool. I also have the gentle exfoliating scrub. This is just to use in between waxes, which I haven't tried it out yet, but I hear good things about. So I've tried the oil out and it's awesome, the oil. And also I keep my stuff, like my sticks, in a jar, and I refill those. So I have these out just in case I need some more. But other than that, that is pretty much for the Brazilian clients. Oh, I also have 4x4s here too, so that helps with cleaning and afterwards. So I can kind of give you a room tour here. Starting out, we have my little shelf of purchases. What would you call it? My retail shelf. So I have two shelves here. I have some trial kit with Image, and I have some CBD hemp lotion and Ormetic. Up here is my little cool pictures on my wall, which I love. I got those off of Etsy. And then I have, this is my grandma's Chester drawers, but it used to, I guess, have a mirror here, but when we had it, it didn't. So I utilized it by putting these little shelves here, set up some displays, and have my cards here. I usually put coffee up here too because I have a little coffee maker. I have some plants as well, succulent here. I have a diffuser. This is a little spray bottle for the succulent, and then these are empty right now. I just got them from somebody, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with these. And then I have little cup holders over here for anybody or for me. This is kind of more my station, and then in here is like shelf that I need to organize of all my products. I have all the Image stuff here. I usually try to keep it organized, and then waxing stuff. I have the hydro jelly masks as well, so I have quite a bit of those. And then I have books here. Oh, and also my distilled water. I have the books so I can, be smart. But I also have plants. I have my plants here. I try to get plants that don't need a lot of sunlight because, as you can see, don't really get too much sunlight. And then I have my facial machine, has the little light on it, and it has the steamer. And then this is going to be the customer's area. So they have their little seat here, have a pillow, they have a trash can, they have a little area that they can set their stuff in, like their keys, and they just have a little globe, because I thought that was cute. I got that at a thrift store. Have cup holders, Kleenex, light, and then I have my certifications on the wall, and then I have this awesome decoration here. I love that. That's my favorite thing about this room. Oh, and also my sign, which I freaking love that one too. That's my sign, which it just turns off and on with this little switch here. So as you can see, yeah, I love that. So I'm going to turn it back on. I have my mirror here as well. It's like a body length mirror. Then I have these really sturdy hooks that people can hang their purses on or anything. And then I have a little bin to put my dirty clothes in here. Oh, and I also have an area rug because the carpet that's here is not the best. So this is my area rug. I have those. And then on my carts here, I have my LED light. I have a bolster and pillows, gloves. I have my Glamcore light as well. And this is the cool thing about this room. It has this closet where I can kind of have my own space, kind of store some things as well, but also try to keep it organized. Here I have my Barbicide. I have my cotton. I usually keep this in the closet, but it's just Barbicide spray. Dermaplane, where I can put the dermaplaning things. I have paper towels. I have a little hook here, clipboard. I have a to-do list. another mirror, which I didn't paint this room. It was already green, and for some reason somebody like just, I don't know, like they just got tired and didn't finish it. So there's like one corner that looks like that. Maybe it was covered by something, I'm not for sure. And then it has this little light here and this cute little shelf where I have more storage. So yeah, so usually I label them, but they're not labeled correctly right now. And I have masks up here, strips, I have some more wax and this, and then I need to put this TV up, so I just have this here right now. I'm gonna put that up in the room so I can lay stuff on it. And then I just have my bag and stuff hanging up here. I also have a fit track scale, which is actually pretty cool. The fit track scale reads everything. You should look it up, has like an app and everything, but I'm not advertising this, it just is really cool. So, oh, and I love this trash can. So this trash can here is motion censored, so I can just throw it in there. Little things. I have a mini fridge with food in it as well. I have a mini fridge, and then I have a mini fridge. I was like, mini fridge, and that fridge smaller, so I don't, what do I call it? So I have the little tiny fridge here to put like facial stuff or the fur stuff, and then I have the mini fridge to put drinks and everything, so if they need drinks or if I need a drink, I have that there too. It's a pretty tall room. I really like it. It has this chandelier in it as well, and it has these spotlights which were already here, and then it has a lot of storage, so it has all of this up here, which is really cool. It was already like that before. And then I just put these curtains up here to kind of give some accent in the center because it was just blank, which I could have hung stuff up there, but I thought it was cool to put that there for now. Oh, and then I have over here another closet. So this is just random storage. So I have like a ladder because I can't reach any of those shelves up there, and then I just have some storage stuff, and I have a microwave up there, but I don't use it because we have one, and then just cleaning stuff and whatnot. So yeah. Oh, I also have this cool interchanging sign, which I love. I got it at an antique store, which I think is pretty cool because that's what they stare at when they're getting waxed, I guess. Other than that, pretty much for my room. Oh, my drawers are not even organized, so I have a lot of drawers of stuff. Right here's extra head wraps, which I put them in this for now, just when I travel, because we don't have a wash machine and dryer here, so I have to take them home and wash and dry them, so I try to keep everything as sanitary as possible. And I have like junk drawers, bag drawer. I put like extra clothes, so these are all not clothes, they're sheets and whatnot. And then in here I have a lot of drawer storage, so here I have more books and binders, and then in here I'm starting to practice makeup, so I have makeup in here, and then I have a headrest as well, that's just extra. And then I have all the extra sticks and whatnot, some 4x4s. Here I have more of the sheets, and then this is just like an extra drawer I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with, because I just have random stuff in here. And this is the scary drawer, but I need to buy organizers, just like extra stuff, but I have a lot of extra things in there. It's only been open for a few months now, so I'm learning organization, but everything else looks great. So that is a room tour, and I'm set up in between clients right now for the Brazilian wax as well, so I wanted to share that with you guys. And if you have any questions, comment below, or you can email me or check out my Instagram, Abby's Aesthetic LLC, or Abby Veal. I will check you guys later. Have an awesome day, you beautiful souls.